Hi everyone, we are excited to show you the factory we just set up for our client. It's a small-scale EPS box production factory. For this project, we installed a high-precision EPS pre-expand machine and an energy-saving EPS molding machine. Even though the factory only has one EPS molding machine right now, it's incredibly efficient. Each production cycle takes about 60 seconds, so it can produce quickly and efficiently. Our equipment is not only high precision but also energy efficient, ensuring that the EPS boxes are of consistent quality and meet the client's needs. If you need such an efficient machine, please feel free to contact us.